Today we're going to be taking a look at the best hitch options for your 2013 Kia Sportage. The first hitch that we'll be looking at is the Curt Class 3, part number C13120, followed by another Curt Class 3, part number C13066, and then the Draw-Tite Class 3, part number 75717, and lastly the Draw-Tite Class 2, part number 36510. All of these hitches are very similar, and when they're mounted on the vehicle, they all come out to where you see about the same amount of the hitch. But the biggest difference that you're going to see in these four is that with the Draw-Tite Class 3, it's going to have a mounting bracket for any wiring that you may want to use. Now up top we've got two Curt Class 3s here, and as you can see, aesthetically speaking, they look the same. And the real difference that you're going to see between them is that on this Curt Class 3 down here, it features a 350-pound tongue weight rating, whereas on this one it features a 525-pound tongue weight rating. And also this hitch up top, you can use it with weight distribution, whereas this one you're not able to use it with weight distribution. So now we'll get this one out of the way so we can focus on more of the details. Now looking at our most popular Class 3 Curt, our Class 3 Draw-Tite, and our Class 2 Draw-Tite, we'll be able to see some of the differences. Like with this Class 3 Draw-Tite, it's got a plate that comes across the back of the receiver tube. That's going to help be a stop so that you can't accidentally push something a little bit too far in. Whereas this Curt up here does not have that, but it's got a plate that welds to the outside to help reinforce. All of these hitches are going to install the same way, and they're extremely easy to install, as there are two existing weld nuts in the frame rails on either side that you will put brand new hardware into that comes with them. Both our Curt and our Draw-Tite Class 3 are going to have the same weight ratings all the way across, to where both of them feature a 525-pound max tongue weight rating and a 3,500-pound gross trailer weight rating. And when used with weight distribution, the tongue weight stays the same at 525 pounds, but the gross trailer weight is increased to 5,250 pounds. And then down here on the Draw-Tite Class 2, the max tongue weight is 350 pounds and the gross trailer weight is 3,500 pounds. And it is not rated for use with the weight distribution system. On the Curt here, we've also got these reinforcement plates up top that are welded to the receiver tube and the cross tube frame. And here on the Curt, it's narrower, but it's welded all the way up the side and across and back down. Whereas when you come down here to the Class 3 Draw-Tite, it's got a wider plate that is just welded along the top and bottom. On the Class 3 Draw-Tite, it's going to have two holes, both the standard 5/8 hole, but then the smaller 1/2 inch hole. And what that smaller 1/2 inch hole is there for is for use with a J-pin stabilization system. Both this Curt Class 3 and the Draw-Tite Class 3 are going to do really well for you for any of your Class 3 accessories that you're going to be using, whether that be a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. But if you're looking for more aesthetics and you want it to look a little nicer when you don't have anything installed into the hitch, this Curt's going to be a really good bet for you. But if you're planning on towing a trailer on a regular basis and want your wiring easily accessible to where you don't have to pull it out of the trunk every time, this Draw-Tite's going to be really good since you can mount that to that pre-existing bracket. So if you've already got 1¼ accessories, this Draw-Tite Class 2 hitch is going to do a really good job of making sure that you have full functionality with those. And on this Class 2, it's got the 1¼ by 1¼ receiver tube opening, and then you've got these nice large safety chain connection points, which should make it nice and easy for any safety chain that you may need to hook up. Here we've got the Draw-Tite Class 3 on this Kia Sportage, and as you can see, it's very well tucked up, and that whole cross frame that is up behind this fascia, so it's nice and hidden. So all you're going to see is this receiver tube and the safety chain connection points. All of the hitches that we talked about are going to give you the same nice tucked, hidden look, so that it doesn't really take away from the look of your vehicle. But here with this one, you can see that they're making use of that wiring bracket in order to mount up their 4-pole wiring. We hope this helps in the decision-making process for a hitch for your Kia Sportage.
Click the link below to shop, Learn more or visit us at etrailer.com.